This is Jamal Adil. As you saw in the introduction, today I'm talking about a 3-axis stabilizer gimbal which is suitable for DSLR, mirrorless cameras, 360 cameras, action cameras and smartphones. Moza AirCross S has an excellent stabilization performance and it has a slim and rugged design. It is a perfect for mirrorless cameras. Firstly, let's do the unboxing and then I will show its detailed review. As far as the looks goes, Moza AirCross S looks nice and feels solid in the hand. It has a very ergonomic design and very easy to use. Furthermore, its portable design makes it more compact and portable. In this step, we will assemble the AirCross S gimbal which has a top and bottom camera mount. Slide the L bracket mount onto the AirCross S gimbal and tighten the screw. On the L bracket, it comes with the 1x4 screw option for the camera mount, and on the top we have a tightening lever option. With an Acra Swiss quick release mount with the screw option, we can easily adjust the Acra Swiss quick release. As soon as you press the screw adjuster, the L bracket will slide and allow the Acra Swiss camera to be mounted. By using this option, the camera mount will remain attached on the L bracket. Press the screw option on the Acra Swiss quick release and tighten the camera mount after placing the quick release in the L bracket. There are 3 separate locks on AirCross S that can be opened one by one. Once the locks are unlocked, the gimbal handles can be moved freely. We will now mount the phone clip using the Acra Swiss quick release using the 1x4 screw option. Once the phone clip is installed, adjust the smartphone and you are ready to use the stabilizer. It seems to me that Moza AirCross S is not a gimbal for professional videographers. What I mean to say that it is not ideal for heavy cameras. Let's see how to mount DSLR cameras on Moza AirCross S gimbal. The first step is to adjust the Acra Swiss to fit the DSLR camera properly and tighten it. The camera mount should now be placed with the L bracket and tightened with the lock. The balance of the gimbal needs to be adjusted according to the camera weight and the balancer needs to be tightened with the screw. As you can see, the DSLR camera is balanced well with the AirCross S gimbal and can be moved smoothly in any direction. A lot of features of Moza AirCross S stabilizer gimbal are similar to other stabilizers. Pan follow mode is its default mode, which allows gimbal to pan sideways but not tilt up and down. In order to keep the horizon level, the gimbal will attempt to keep it flat. Another option is tilt follow mode, which allows the gimbal to tilt up and down as well as pan side to side. It provides freedom of movement for both the camera and the gimbal, allowing them to face upwards or downwards, left or right. The FPV mode enables a gimbal to pan from side to side, tilt up and down, and rotate or roll. To keep the camera stable when rotating side to side, move your whole body with the gimbal. For natural feeling point of view footage, FPV mode is ideal. There is also a lock mode option which prevents the gimbal from moving from side to side or tilting up and down as a result of its limited movements. This mode is more often used in very specific circumstances and isn't ideal for journal photography. There are many things to like AirCross S hybrid gimbal, including its good build quality, great design and ergonomic controls. You can access most options from this small screen, which is quite convenient. Use the joystick and the right side button to toggle through the menu and adjust the gimbal accordingly to double-clicking the menu button. In addition to automatic tuning, Moza AirCross S also has the manual tuning options. The automatic mode never produced the desired result for me, so I recommend using the manual mode instead. The handle on the camera can be used to control the gimbal, easily accessible and untouchable. They are safe from accidental contact. The position of the centralized camera is pretty straightforward. The camera can be centered with a double click of the back button in a quick session. When you triple tap the menu button, Inception Mode is enabled, adding a dramatic twist to the camera movement. Rotate the camera by pressing the joystick left or right. When Inception Mode is selected, the smart wheel also controls auto rotation. With the AirCross S gimbal, you can use smartphone, which is very easy to use and very light in the hands. Moza AirCross S doesn't have an official mobile app, but I'm using Moza Genie instead. You can enhance your experience with this camera app by double tapping on the Moza Genie mobile app. The parameters of each shooting template can be individually adjusted just like on a DSLR. With the new interaction and UI, user can operate the stabilizer or app more easily. In addition, shooting templates have been added to provide you with more inspiration when it comes to shooting. You can adjust the speed of the movement by pressing this button. You can enable the sports mode by double tapping the power button for adjusting the gimbal speed. It is possible for greatly increase and decrease the follow speed of the gimbal in sports mode. The camera is suitable for taking photographs of subjects moving suddenly at a different speed. With its 1000 mAh battery, you can run 12 hours at a time. Smartphones and action cameras can achieve this number, but with heavy cameras will not last longer than 3 hours. Moza AirCross is not suitable for professional videographers. Nevertheless, it is ideal for content creators. In addition to smartphones, action cameras or light mirrorless cameras, it is ideal for you. Its buying price is $259 and you can find the buying links in the video description. If you are looking for Apple CarPlay wireless adapter, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.